Hello students, today I am going to teach you the factorization as some polynomials are given, we factorize. Factorization means we want to find those polynomials which whose multiple is given. Multiple means when we have multiplied and got this one, we want to those two. Because power is 2, so factor is 2 here. Here also power is 2, so factor also 2. Now we going to solve it. So first we think 1 into 45, 45. Then we split it this way. If sum of this one be 14 and multiply should be 45. Now we think what is 9 5 the 45, 9 and 5 is 14. Now we're going to solve it. Now solution of this one is as x square plus 14x plus 45. Now we break it as x square plus 9x plus 5x plus 45. Now we make the pairs and take the common as x is common here, x plus 9. Now when we take 5 is common, then it be x plus 5 then the 45. Now we are seeing in these two pairs x plus 9 is common here. So we have taken x plus 9 as common and here will remain x plus 5. These are two factors of given here x square plus 14x plus 45. Now we are going to solve the next one as we split the 8 as here is minus 48. So how we got it 48? Now we split it and find it. First we think it about this one. Now x square plus 12x minus 4x minus 48. Now we make the pair and take the common, then thus we find the factors. As x is common here, now when we divide by x, we got here x and plus 12. Now from this we take common 4. As 4 is common, minus we have taken common, so we change the sign also. Then it be x plus 12. Now we are saying x plus 12 is common, so we have taken x plus 12 as a common. Now here will remain x minus 4. Now we are going to solve the next question as question number 2. Now we are seeing p square minus 8p minus 65. Multiplication is minus 65. Sum or difference is minus 8. So we think and write here as p square minus 13p plus 5p and minus 65 and then make the pair because 13 5 is 65 and multiplication of minus and plus is minus, so it is and 13 minus 5 is 8 also, it is minus 8. This way we think and settle it and find the common, and we have taken common as p. Now here will remain p. When we divide it by p, here will be p. Then here will be minus 13. And in the next bracket, we are seeing 5 is common. So we have taken 5 is common. Then we divide it by 5. we will get here e minus 13. As plus sign is common, so we not change the sign. Now we are saying p minus 13 and p minus 13 is common. So we have taken here p minus 13 common. Now in the next bracket here will remain p plus 5. These are two factors are given p square minus 8x minus 65 as 14 minus 10a plus 14 7 now it is 7a minus 5a square. Now we can arrange here as 14 plus 7a minus 10a minus 5a square. Now we can take common in these two. Here 7 is common. Now 7 to the 14. Now here will be 2 plus 7 1 the 7a. Now here we take common 5a. Now 5 to the 10. 2 minus. Now because we have taken minus sign is common, so here we change the sign. Then 5 1 the 5 and a. Now we are seeing in the bracket it is 2 plus a is common. Now here is 7 minus 5a, or we can write here a plus 2 and minus 5a plus 7. This way also we can write. Now we are going to solve the question number 3. Factorize this one. Now we can think here 2x square, it is 1, now it is 2, then here 3 we will break, 2 1 the 2, 2 and 1 it is 3. Now we can write this way also 2 plus 1x plus 1, or we can break the bracket and write it 2x square plus 2x plus x plus 1. Now we make the pair and take the common, as here is 2x is common. 2x we have taken common. Now here will remain x, here will remain y, because 2 1 the 2. Now it is cancelled and 1 is quotient. Now here we take as a common, it is 1. If there is not anything common, then 1 is common. Now we can divide by 1 and got this one x plus 1. Now we take the common, here x plus 1 and x plus 1 is common here. X plus 1 we have taken common. From the first we have got 2x, and from the next it is plus 1. This way first one is factorized from the third question. Now we went to the second part of this one. Now it is as y square, and here is 6. If 1 and 6 are multiplying, then it is plus 6. So we break the 5 this way. Multiplication should be plus 6 and sum should be minus 5. Now it is as 2 plus 3 and y plus 6. Now we write here as y square minus 2y, plus minus 3y plus 6. Now we make the pair and take the common. Now it is, we have taken y as a common and dividing by y, then we get here y minus 2. In the next bracket we have taken common 3. As we have taken minus sign also common, so we change the sign also. Now 3 1 the 3, now it is y, then plus minus is changed, then 3 2 the 6. Now we are seeing y minus 2, y minus 2 is common. Now we have taken as a common y minus 2. It is y minus 3. Now we are going to solve the next question. Question number 4. It is depend on remainder theorem as it is x plus 1 is a factor of 2x cube minus 3x square minus 8x minus 3. If it is its factor, then it will satisfy this one, and then we check it. If it is satisfying, then it is a factor. After that, we will factorize this one. Then we divide it by this way as x plus 1, and here we write 2x cube minus 3x square minus 8x minus 3. Now we are going to divide it. Now we see here, as comparing first term to first term, it is greater by 2 and x square. So we will write the quotient as here in the first step 2x square, because my motto is this, to cancel the first term. So first we multiply 2x square by x and then by 1. Then it will be 2x cube when we multiply to this one, and plus 2x square plus 2x square. Just we write the under like terms when we multiply, and then we subtract and change the sign. Then it is plus, so we have changed it, and it is also plus, then it will be minus. Now we cancel first term to the first term because its value is equal and opposite sign. Now we check the second term, it is a minus, it is also minus, it is 2x square, it is 3x square, it is 2x square. Now it will be 3 plus 2, 5x square, then it is minus 8x. Now we compare first term to the first term, it is greater by minus, it is 5, then x. Now we multiply by minus 1 to these two terms, fyx plus 1, and write here as minus 5x square. Now we multiply the plus minus minus it is, and 5x. Here we write. Now we subtract and change the sign first. It is minus, so it will be plus. It will be minus, it is also be plus. Now we are seeing first term is opposite and equal, so it will be cancelled. Now we are seeing here it is plus, it is minus. Now minus value is greater and plus value is smaller here. Now we write the greater value sign and find the difference and write here 8 minus 5, it is 3, then x, then copy from here, it will be 3 minus. Now we compare first term to the first term. Now it will be as 3. Now we see here, when we multiply it by, then it will be minus 3x. So minus 3x and minus 3. Now we change the sign because we are going to subtract. So it will be equal and opposite. So this will be cancelled. Now remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. It means it is satisfying the given expression of px. Now we are going to find the other two factors. There are two methods to find the other two factors. As first factor is given. We find the factor of this and it multiplied both. First, as 2x square minus 5x minus 3. As 3 to the 6, it is minus 6. So multiplication should be minus 6 and sum should be minus 5. Now we write it here as 2x square minus 6x plus x. Now 6 1 the 6 and minus 3. Now we make the pair and take the common here and it is as 2x minus 3. Now here 1 is common, x minus 3. Now we are seeing here x minus 3 is common, x minus 3 is common. Now from the first bracket we get 2x, from the second we get 1. Now we got the two factors here and one factor is given. Therefore, factors of this will be x plus 1 into x minus 3 and 2x plus 1. This way we factorize also. First we check it. It is satisfying also. So remainder is 0. Now we find the factor, the quotient. We have got the factors of quotient. These are x minus 3 and 2x plus 1. So these are all factors x plus 1, x minus 3, 2x plus 1. Now we are going to solve this question number 4 by the second method. Its second method is this one, as it is second method. So be careful about this one. It is simple and time short. It is solved big and in fast or in short time. And x plus 1 is a factor of this one, then this will satisfy to the given expression or given polynomial as x plus 1 equal to 0. This means x equal to minus 1. X equal to minus 1 because when we transpose then change the sign. Put the value in this or we can write p minus 1 equal to 2 minus 1 whole cube minus 3 minus 1 whole square minus 8 into minus 1 minus 3. If it becomes 0, then it is satisfying to the given px. Now it is cube of minus 1 is minus 1, so it will be minus 2 plus it is square of 1 minus 1 is plus 1, so it will be 3. Now here plus minus minus plus, so it will be 8 and here will be minus 3. Now we are adding the negative values and positive values. Negative values are 2, 3 and 3. Now 3 and 3, 6 and 2, 8 minus 8 plus 8, it be 0. Now it is satisfying to the px. Now p minus 1 equal to 0. It means it is satisfying the given px. Now we are going to arrange how we find all the factors. Because first factor I know, so our target should be the everywhere after taking the common there should be remainder as a x plus 1. So my target is here will be x plus 1 when we take in the common. As we are arranging here as 2x cube, 2x cube, not we will write here this way as 2x cube 2x cube minus 3x square minus 8x minus 3. Now we are going to arrange, and common should be x plus 1. Common should be, after taking common, here will remain x plus 1. Now 2x cube. Now we write here plus as 2x square. So we have, when we take common 2x square, here will remain x plus 1. Because plus 2x square is not in the question, but we not change the question, we are going to solve the question. So minus 2 and 3. It is plus, so we complete it. We have written it extra, so we will manage it. 2 and 3, it will be 5. 5x square. Here, when we subtract from 5 to 2, it will remain here 3. Now we write here minus 5x, and now if we take here common as 5x, here will remain x plus 1, and here will remain 3. So we will write here 3x, then minus 3. Now question is managed and arranged. Now we take the common, as we are saying if it is right or not. So if it is right, then we find the factors. Now see here, as 2x 2x square is common. From here remain, it is x plus 1. Now here 5x is common. Now here will remain x plus 1. Now here 3 is common. Minus 3 is common. Now here will be x plus 1. As we have told you already, we target when we take the common. After taking common, here will remain x plus 1 everywhere. So we are seeing here also, here everywhere x plus 1 is common. Now we take it as a common. X plus 1 we have taken as a common. So here will remain 2x square minus 5x minus 3. Now we factorize this one. Here x plus 1 is given factor. Now here we write 2x square minus 6x plus x minus 3. And then we take the common here and find the factors. X plus 1. Now here 2x is common. Now x minus 3. As here is 1 common. Now it is x minus 3. Now we are seeing x minus 3 is common in this. X plus 1 as x minus 3, as in the next bracket 2x plus 1 as a common. Thus we have got all the factors of given expression as 2x cubed minus 3x square minus 8x minus 3. Now we are going to solve the next question. It is also by using the remainder theorem, or in Hindi we can say शेष फल प्रमेय. If it is satisfying by any value of given variables, then that one is a factor of this one. As putting x equal to 1, if it is satisfied, then it will be the factor of this one, or x minus 1 equal to 0. Now we are going to put in this x equal to 1 as 1 cube plus 2 into 1 square minus 6 into 1 plus 3. Now you solve it, it will be 1 cube of 1 is 1, cube square of 1 is 1, so it will be 2, it will be 6, it will be 3. Now we add the positive terms and negative terms. Positive terms are 3 and 2 and 1. It sum of these 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 and 3 is 6, 6 minus 6, it will be 0. It means it is satisfying then x, therefore it is a factor of given px as x minus 1 is a factor of given px. Now we're going to solve to find the other factors as we have solved in the second method. Now we're going to solve here. We write this one as x cube plus 2x square minus 6x plus 3. My motto is or my target is after taking common the remainder should be x minus 1. Now we see here as x cube minus x square. X square is not given in the question, so we will complete it. There should be not extra and less. We going to solve the question, not change the question. So if we write here 3x square, then it be subtracted and value should be 2x square. Now we write here minus 3x. Now 3x is remain. Here it is 6x, it is written here 3x. Now we write here minus 3x and plus 3. Now we make the pairs and take as common. Now we are making the pairs and taking commons. And here is x square is common, then x minus 1 as we have written already. My target is to remainder after it should remain x minus 1. So here is remaining x minus 1. In the next bracket we have taken as 3x common. Here will be x minus 1. In the next bracket we have common minus 3. Then here will remain x minus 1 because we have taken minus sign is common, so change the sign in the bracket. Now we are seeing here is x minus 1 is common. Now in the bracket here will remain x square plus 3x minus 3. Now we want to find the factorization of these two. Now we are seeing as 3, here will be 3x after sum or difference. After when we multiply, here should be minus 1. It is not possible. So this factor of these be only x square plus 3x minus 3.